Поздней ночью в небе одна так соблазнительно светит луна. И я б хотел для вас небес ее достать. Но как мне быть, ведь ночью надо спать. Не нужна мне малина, не страшна мне ангина. Не боюсь я вообще ничего, лишь бы только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина. Обожала меня одного.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to test the LTX-2.3 model for lip sync. For this example, I took a song from the Soviet film The Adventures of Buratino from 1975. This film was based on the book by Alexei Tolstoy, The Golden Key, or The Adventures of Buratino, which is a literary adaptation of the Pinocchio fairy tale. In the movie, this song is performed by the character Pierrot. Previously, Workflow LTX 2.3 was available in the templates, but now for some reason it's missing, even though I updated my ComfyUI, so we'll download it from another source. The link will be in the description. Here's this Egyptian beauty. Downloading. Opening it. This is the basic workflow where the model generates the voice itself based on the prompt we give it. Now I'm going to modify this workflow. You can follow along with me. Or, if you want to save time and support the channel, you can download the finished workflow from the link in the description. It's available with a subscription. But again, the full guide is here, and you can recreate everything for free. Let's get started. I click on the icon at the top of the Video Generation LTX-2.3 node and go inside the workflow. I explained how these nested workflows with hidden sub-workflows work and how to edit them in the previous lesson. You can check it out using the link above. In the last lesson, I showed how to add your own audio file for the model to perform lip sync and add movement to the scene using the LTX2 model. But that was just a monologue. This time, it's a song. That means there are musical instruments in addition to the vocals. Now, we'll see how the LTX 2.3 model handles this more complex task. Some nodes here turned red. When I tried to install them through the manager using Install Missing Custom Nodes, they weren't found in the search, and ComfyUI said my version was outdated. I updated ComfyUI through the manager, but nothing changed. The nodes are still red and can't be found in the search. When loading the workflow, it shows here exactly what needs to be installed. But again, the manager can't find this extension. I have the portable version. I go to the Update folder and run the update file update_comfyui.bat. This time, everything worked. I won't go into detail about this workflow because I already explained it in the previous video using the LTX2 model. You can watch it with the link above. It's very similar, though there are some nuances. I'll jump straight into modifying this workflow. We need to connect external audio to the audio latent input instead of empty latent audio. I'll add a new node group and name it External Audio. Audio Loader. Next, I add the Trim Audio Duration node. It's used to trim the audio to the desired length. Connecting it. The start time parameter. From which second to start. Duration, the number of seconds, basically the length of the music segment. Next is the Audio VAE encode node. Connecting the audio. Connecting the VAE. Now we need to add the Set Latent Noise Mask node. Connecting the audio latent. The node requires a mask parameter. I add the Solid Mask node. I set the value to 0. And now I connect the Set Latent Noise Mask node to the audio latent. I disable the Empty Latent node since we no longer need it. Here's the resulting chain. Let's run the generation.
Только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина. Обожала меня одного.
I really like the result. And pay attention to the fact that in addition to perfect lip sync, the model understood the rhythm and made the hands strum the strings in time with the music. That's really cool.
Обожала меня одного.
So, the LTX 2.3 model doesn't need the vocals to be separated from the instrumental. It handles it perfectly on its own and makes all the movements very natural and logical. But if for some reason you still need to separate the voice from everything else, I'll show you how to do it. First, we need to install the Melband Row Former tool. This is an extension for separating a music track into individual sources. It works especially well for isolating vocals from a full song, leaving the instrumental, or vice versa. Go to the Manager, Custom Nodes. In the search bar, type Melband. Here's the extension. I already have it installed. Clicking on the name takes us to the developers page. After installation, the model loader becomes available. Select the model we download from Kijai's page on Hugging Face. Here's the link. I add the Row Former sampler node. Connect it to the model. Now I connect our external audio file to the Melband Row Former sampler node. This node will separate the vocals and instrumental. And now I connect only the vocals to the Trim Audio Duration node. Now our chain looks like this. Let's test it. Here's the result. Notice that the lips are moving in sync, but the hand movements are completely out of rhythm with the music because the model had no reference. This version doesn't work for me. I'll stick with the first option, especially since the model itself does an excellent job distinguishing vocals from instrumental. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.
Поздней ночью в небе одна, так соблазнительно светит луна. И я б хотел для вас небес ее достать, но как мне быть, ведь ночью надо спать. Не нужна мне малина, не страшна мне ангина, не боюсь я вообще ничего, лишь бы только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина, лишь бы только Мальвина. Обожала меня одного.